Page 36, London Bridge is Falling Down, another very famous melody. This is in the key of G major. They want to do the stationary bass thing. Remember, stationary is it doesn't move and the bass is the bottom. Your bottom note is here. The chord, the G, the first chord is a G, B, D. And then in the second line is a G, C, D. So the bottom note's staying the same. Actually, both bottom and top notes are staying the same. We're only talking about the bottom here. So it's here. Middle note's moving. Okay, so much for the left hand. Let's look the piece over. 3/4 time, 1 sharp in the key signature in the key of G major. All right. All the F's are automatically going to be F sharped. I don't see any F's in the piece, it doesn't matter. It still has to be in the key signature. If there were any F's, there'd be F sharps. Right hand, let's check and make sure we got the fingering and the notes and all. You're starting with 4th finger on the D. Put your hand here. And it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Did I say it was in 3/4 time? I can't remember. Squat. Well, whatever. It's in 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And this is fun. Let's go down to the last line. The last 4 measures. It's where the thumb plays the A. It's here. You scrunch the hand up a little bit because the little finger's on an E right now, and I'm going to scrunch it up and put it on a D. Remember how the thumb sometimes would go down a key? Well, sometimes we go the other way. Instead of spreading out, we scrunch up together. This is what this is doing. You scrunch up just a little bit, little finger. Now we've actually changed hand positions. This is one way we do it in piano. So it's here and here, and then here. And that G is tied. And then our last measure, that G above it, that's the left hand is going to play that. The right hand just stays there. Put the hands together. You're here to start. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Because the left hand is tied for the 2 measures at a time. 2. That makes it fun, I'm sure. Let's go down to the last line, the last 4 measures where it gets tricky. You're here. 1, 2, 3. Little finger. And then here. 1, 2. And the left hand just, again, it's like moving. Just lift up. 1, 2, 3, 1. Now hold that down. You got both notes down at the same time for those last 3 counts. So again, the last 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you come off. So you go through and work it out. When you feel you're ready, come back and play it with me. Let's check and make sure you have the same notes I have at the same time. As far as how fast you actually play it on your own, that's up to you. This is kind of a happy children's game song thing. It's morning and I'm not in the mood for a happy, cheerful, gamey or anything, so just play it. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, off.